Oh, hey. You want some s'mores? Yeah, very good. Keep watching to see how I made this faux marble, faux fireplace all by myself.
There was a time my house was neat and so was I was thinner back then. I would go out with my friends, but somehow that's gone bye-bye. Now I look around, there are piles strewn about. Is this dirty or clean? I'm finding out what it means. This is not just a house, it's a depressionist. I don't know how I got here. Depressionist, I don't know where to start. Depressionist, caving in on me. My life is simply falling apart. Depressionist.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Tracy May. Welcome back to Depression Nest, the show where I am trying to declutter and redesign my home and my mind. We have been working on my primary bedroom for a long time. Don't let these DIYers be fooling y'all talking about, look what we did in 30 minutes. Baby, a team of 20 people came in there and did that in 30 minutes, okay? If you've been here from the very beginning, or at least a long time, you have seen my 3D render of the design that I made and that I would love to have my room turn out exactly like. But y'all see that fireplace? I had to figure out a way to make that fireplace without it costing a gazillion, trillion, billion, hillion, dillion, fillion, lillion dollars. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all know this, but marble, she snatch your coins up. She gonna snatch them. Coming up with my fireplace look and design started on Pinterest, where I started seeing all of these like very simple fireplace lines, but the marble is what made it stand out. And then I started seeing these ones that had this like just one little detail of half round, like a border around the outside. And I was like, that is so pretty. And the marble seems to continue. Like it looks like the marble is on the half round, coming up, and it's like still going. I thought that was like epic. And so I was like, okay, yeah, this is what I want to do. Anyway, I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of insight into how I came up with the idea for the fireplace, but I know what you're here to see. All right, let's cut the talking. Let's get right into the bill. Let's go. The first thing I did was cut all of my pieces. And yes, I am cutting all of this wood in my dining room. So I tried to clean up and vacuum along the way. I used SketchUp and an extension on SketchUp called Open Cut List to come up with all of the cuts that I need. I'm terrible at math, so I thought that was a good way to go around it. And I just had to trust the extension. I had to trust my measurements, and I just started cutting. I need 5 pieces of 11-inch wood.
Giggity, 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 giggity.
And then 4 17.5s. I always use the first piece that I cut as like a guide for the other pieces. Say I would have used the third piece as my guide, but the third piece and the first piece are just a slight bit off. The more I keep using the wrong pieces, the more off I'm gonna get. It's called a compound error. So as soon as you make one error and then you use that error to make another error, then you use that error to make it, you see what I'm saying? So make sure that whenever you make your first cut, keep that piece and then just use it as a guide for your other cuts, and it'll be so much easier. Yay, it's here. First of all, I am not sponsored, but hey, Wall Blush girl. You see me seeing you see me? Oh, okay. Here's the reveal. Is it cool? Is it cool? What do you think? Is it cool? I just wanted to show y'all how I am planning on attacking this to make it look as authentic as possible. The number one step is that I didn't just buy rolls of wallpaper. I bought a wallpaper mural. And if you don't know the difference, a wallpaper mural, imagine this wall, but like there's a strip here, strip here, strip here, strip here, but it makes one big picture. They all connect to make the picture. That in a marble is gonna make it look more authentic because it's not gonna be a repeating pattern. It's going to be a cascading pattern. And then we're gonna celebrate. Y'all ready to celebrate? Celebrate. Come on, holiday. If we took a holiday, oh yeah, take some time to celebrate. Come on, let's celebrate every day of our life. It could be. This is the scariest part. This is the scariest part because this could make it look so dumb. Like right now, it looks so cute. Like it looks elevated. It looks like I really knew what the hell I was doing. Everything works out in my favor. Everything works out in my favor. I'm just gonna try to manifest that this is gonna look amazing in here. You guys, we did it. We done messed around and built the fireplace, y'all. What? Thank y'all so much for joining me on this adventure to build a fireplace for the first time ever. I, of course, had to contact Wall Blush because y'all know I'm terrible at math and I did not calculate enough for the full top. So like down here, it kind of looks cool though. I'm not gonna hold you. It looks like a little mosaic of stuff going on down here, but I just want it to be like all one sheet. The guy in customer service told me it's probably not gonna line up to my last panel. And I was like, that's fine. I just want it to be one cohesive sheet. You guys, we have so much more coming down the pike. Pike. We have flooring, windows, assembling furniture, putting the rug, the makeup vanity. Like, we have so much more coming up. So if you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm just so proud of this fireplace that I just want y'all to share this video out, subscribe, like, comment below, do all the things that you're supposed to be doing. You know what you're supposed to do. Please. Thank you. I think that'll be all for this episode. Thank y'all so much for joining me. As always, if you have depression, you are definitely not alone. I am here. Breaking news. It is my goal to have the entire bedroom completed by my birthday, November 6th. I don't know if that's possible. I just would like to give myself a birthday present, and I feel like having this oasis of a room would be perfect for a gift because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing anything. So I'm just trying to make myself feel better. So please stay tuned because we have the whole rest of the room to do, and we're going to do it in a month, supposedly. But in order to stay tuned, you have to what? Stay here. Correct. Stay here. You stay here and I'll stay here, and we just all gonna be staying here. Okay? I love y'all down. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Anytime I do a DIY that's kind of semi-permanent, I always leave a note on the inside, like with the year, because in however many years when somebody tears this down, they're gonna be like, oh my God, this is so cool. This is from 2025.